Hello dear students, welcome to the digital classroom of Krishna Jyoti Convent Senior Secondary School Bagpat. I am your teacher Abhishek Mittal and today I am going to discuss the theme of the poem The Bengal Sailors by Sarojini Naidu. In this particular poem, Sarojini Naidu celebrates and glorifies Indian womanhood. The stages of an Indian woman's life are represented through the colors of bangles in this poem. Each color represents each stage she crosses. Each stage of an Indian woman's life, from a maiden to a bride and finally to a mature woman, which experience is described through colors in this poem. Silver and blue or pink. These three colors represent the maidenhood. Okay, when the girl is unmarried. Yellow represents morning of her wedding. Red or orange represents her bridal night. Purple and gold represents the motherhood and matriarchy. According to the poetess, the lives of Indian women should be radiant and lustrous like the bangles. The rainbow tinted bangles are symbolic of the multicolored faces of a woman's life. So as we have studied earlier in the poem in the last video, that there are various stages in the life of a woman and all those stages have been shown by different color bangles. Bangles are associated with daughters and wives in the Indian society since the very beginning. The second stanza brings into limelight that the bangles which are suitable for a maiden who is carrying numerous dreams and desires about her future. While the blue and silver colored bangles resemble the mist in the mountains, some resemble the buds of flowers. These images highlights the beauty and freshness of the pretty maidens. The blooming flowers represent the blooming of these maidens into women. The golden colored bangles that resemble sunlit bright cornfields are meant for the Indian brides. These golden bangles represent the flame of the holy fire around which the bride and groom take marriage vows. This flame-like resemblance of the golden bangles for a bride suggests the idea of the flame of love. The final stanza captures the full transformation of the maiden into a woman who has journeyed through the life midway and who serves her husband in fruitful pride. Purple and gold flecked grey are the colors that represent maturity in a woman. Grey represents the maturity that comes with age. Sarojini Naidu's idea of the ideal Indian woman is summed up in the final lines of the poem as an Indian woman is represented as the force that keeps the family together. I hope you have understood the theme of the lesson. If there is any doubt, you can ask during the live class. Thank you and have a nice day.